Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever seen fireworks in water? No? Well, today I'm going to show you what happens if you do that. So all you need is some warm water, 2 clear glasses, food coloring, and any oil, and a fork for mixing. Okay, so now step 1, pour the warm water into a glass. So I'm going to take it and pour it in. Here we go. Now, step 2, we are going to pour oil. So now step 3, add food coloring in the oil. Now we are going to mix it with the fork. Now we are done. They look like glitter and the food coloring has turned into little beads. So we are going to pour it into the water very slowly. Into this warm water. There you go. Slowly. Come closer. Look. The tiny firework. I think I even see some gold. Oh my God. That's like an artist drawing. Does that look like fireworks in water? Seriously, to me it does. When it goes to the bottom, it stops. Oh my God. So that's it for today. I hope you're liking my videos. If you do, please subscribe, share, and comment on my latest videos. And then, after you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell to turn on notifications. Bye!